Here's how to face swap using Canva in just a few clicks. Start by creating any template to work on. On the left panel, scroll down and open the Apps section. Search for Face Swap and open the tree. Upload the photo that contains the face you want to swap. Then upload the image with the face you want to place onto the original. And there you go. If that helped, give this video a like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.